Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty and the Beasts. We are back again. We got something kind of cool here today. I just picked up cold air intakes for my Infiniti Q50. It has the 3.7 V6, so hopefully it'll be pretty cool. It's got dual intakes. It's AEM, and so it should be a pretty cool install. So we're going to do a DIY on how to install these intakes. And with me, I got Jacob, of course, here with us. And so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like, follow along, and we will show you how to do it. And here it is, guys, AEM induction systems. And here we have it. We got some nice heat shields here with the weather stripping on. We've already installed that, actually, Jacob and I. Got some nice intakes there. They're the dry ones, oil-free, so apparently you can just wash them out and reuse them. Got the pipes. They're actually plastic, but seem all right. Go sticker. You always got to get stickers.
Oh, it's worth 10 horsepower.
Yeah, it is. Actually, it comes with this sheet right here with a dyno. And it apparently does come with 10 horsepower, Jacob.
It's all the sticker.
Yeah. Apparently a 10 horsepower gain and 13 foot-pounds of torque. But who knows until you actually tune it and dyno it yourself, if there are real numbers. Well, let's get to the install. Alright guys, here we go. We've got my Infiniti here. Sorry, I know it's dark, but it is what it is. So we're going to start installing the cold air intakes. Here are the OEM ones. You can see here, OEM box. And then this one, yeah, pretty restrictive. Not that bad, but I know they're pretty dirty. I haven't changed them yet. So,
specifically for this reason.
Yeah, for this reason. So, first things first is we need to get off this engine cover right here. And so we got 4 nuts right up here. There's 2 back there. You can't see them because of the darkness. And then we gotta take off this cover right here. So it's just a pop-up plastic clips. They're annoying, but they're not too bad. As long as you get up here, you pry up here, and then you can take them out. They're not too bad. Here. Oh, no, not one there. So, yeah. We will get back on the next stage. Alright, so got the plastic shroud off here. Took the engine cover off. As you can see here are my throttle body units there. So the next step is we're going to remove this hose clamp right here, and then we're going to remove this bolt right here. And then for this air box, after we remove those, there's a bolt here, and then there's also one bolt back down there that's holding this together. And same thing on this side. If we go over here, there's the hose clamp for this side. You just got to take this off. And then here's the bolt again for the air box, and then like the other side, the bolt is just underneath that plastic right there. So we're gonna loosen those bolts and hose clamps, and then yeah, we'll keep you updated. All right, so we've got bolt off there, the bolt in there, and there off. We got that hose clamp, that's out. Jacob here, he's just working on this last one. Sometimes they're a pain to get off. You need a little bit more persuasion than you would think. But just like that, it's off. Yep, and then there, same, these bolts off. So now our next thing to do is take off these mass air sensors, and we're gonna transfer over these brackets onto the new intakes. There's 2. And then we're gonna do those clamps. That one clamp there, that one clamp right there. And then we're gonna pop these bad boys off.
Yeah, it should be good to go.
And I'll show you how it looks like when these things are off. And you'll be able to see my headers. So, MAF sensor's out. You just pull the tab, pull up, it comes out. loosened this off, and this should just pry off there. Should just pop up, just like that. Easy peasy. Now we just gotta transfer over these. So we'll take Phillips, or no, it's a 7, I think, 7mm socket, and then just take them off and transfer them onto the new ones. And you can see the headers down there a little bit. Might be able to see it better on this side. Check out
I wonder if we can reach him. There we go.
Okay, so our next step is we got to take off this old OEM PVC tubing. Gotta take off that clamp, fully remove it. We're gonna reuse these clamps though, and we're gonna put in this tubing. It's gonna go replace it there and then go into our intake. Okay, so next step is we got these clips here. This, when it's done, it goes in right here inside that rubber. So as you can see, the hole of the bottom right there, just put it down there and screw it in. Go. It's a 10mm. Go. So it's in. So this can now slide in. I'm pretty sure this is for the passenger side. Not 100% sure how it goes in yet, but sure. Yeah, something like this.
Top bolt lines up.
Yeah. There. And so you can see that line up right there. Lines up nice and in. Is down a bit. Nice. Let's do the next one. I've already installed this. There, nice. And it lines up. Perfect. So next step would be putting the OEM bolt screw back into the place where we came in.
Yeah. And feeding the MAFs. The MAFs come through this hole here.
Right.
That's pretty
through there.
Pretty much it.
Okay, as you can see here now, guys, we got the MAF sensor, got it through the grommet, installed the hardware there. It's pretty solid. Same on here. Got the MAF sensor through the grommet area, secured, pretty solid. Next step is to put the pipes on there. As you can see here, I will grab it on this part. Will go in, be something like that. It's just a rough, very rough point right now, but you guys get the idea. We'll have to attach this tube here to here, to that. So yeah, should be fun. We might have to cut that tube down a bit. We will see. It should be okay. Yeah, cool. All right, as you guys can see, it is in, it is tight. This is in there. That was the AEM one. You didn't have to change that hose. And then she's in, the MAF sensor's in. Now all we got left are the air intakes. As you can see this, all tight. Clamp down, this is in. We had to cut this tube just a bit because it was really kinked down there. It's still a little kinked, but not really though, because it has to make a little bend.
It was like folded basically.
Yeah. Now sensor in. Alright, time for the intakes. Alright, as you can see, they are installed. And everything's back together.
Engine cover took some tweaking to get on, but a little bit of shoving here and there, and she went on.
We got her.
A little
It's
tight,
a little
just on
tight
the
right
driver's
here,
side.
as you can see. But nothing a little persuasion can't fix.
Don't mind his exhaust leak. It's gonna be fixed. You can definitely hear a little bit of induction, even with that light throttle. Yeah, it's a difference.
Alright guys, I hope you liked the install of my new cold air intake. It was fun. It wasn't too challenging at all. I mean, it took us, what, an hour and a half, I think, from start to finish.
Yep.
So it really wasn't bad at all.
Very straightforward.
Yeah, very straightforward. It's quite nice, actually. I enjoy it. Hopefully on my drives to work and stuff, I can really see the difference, notice the difference, and we will get you some drive videos.
Yeah. And we're going to be dropping Kyle's car off at the shop right now to get the exhaust fixed.
Yep.
And hopefully after that noise is cleared up, we can get some
real good
audio up.
Yeah, because it doesn't sound too good with that exhaust leak right now.
You definitely notice it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up or not with the exhaust, but you notice it when you're inside the car, and it sounds pretty awesome.
Yeah, it does sound a lot nicer. It definitely opens up the engine sound a lot more, which I'm quite happy about. So anyways, like always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and check out our other videos.
Yeah. If you haven't followed us on Instagram already, do so. Tags are in the description. They'll probably be on the end of the screen after we're done here too.
Yep.
So, alright guys, till next time, take it easy.
See ya. Alright, we're going to do a little pull, little race between his stock Golf R and my Infiniti Q50. All I have is headers, test pipes, cold air intake, no tune. And he's got lightweight rims. He's got engine and tranny mounts. And that's about it, right? Springs, lowering springs. Yeah.
We went all the way to Mexico for this.
Yeah, we're in Mexico right now. So, you want to do the dig first?
Yeah, might as well.
Okay, you do the honk. close though.
It's not bad.
You know, I'm definitely pulling on him, but it's
a lot better than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it wasn't a disgusting pull. Okay, we're gonna do a 40K roll.
Try and do it right when we cross that bump.
Okay. You count, do the beeps. And another victory.